Come test drive the 2018 Fit. The Fit was engineered to be useful, efficient, and reliable, but its most important attribute is its innate charm and coolness, and is priced below $20,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, trip computer, fog lights. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.